In 90s, one of the best brand producing speaker, tutor, mid-range woofer and woofer was Bolton. And nowadays Bolton woofers are very hard to get, and many of them are saying these are not original woofers, original Bolton woofers, because Bolton brand have stopped production. But I'm not sure about whether this is real or not. Anyway, we have the Bolton 10-inch woofer for review. So this is Bolton 10-inch woofer. Actually in the box it says subwoofer, but it is 8 ohms and its performance as a subwoofer is very bad. We have checked the performance of this woofer as a subwoofer, and we have ended up with finding that this is one of the worst subwoofer that I have ever met. And in the box it says it is 250 watts PMPO power, which means a 125 watts of RMS power is there with this woofer, and it is 8 ohms impedance, which means this is actually a good woofer. So in this video we will be doing a quick unboxing and complete review of this Bolton 10-inch loudspeaker woofer. And we have two nodes, and the box is completely like the old Bolton woofers, and they says Bolton woofer, and they bring good to life their caption. Anyway, let's do the unboxing. And this one is 10-inch and it is yellow in color. Their cover also goes with the same pattern, that is the yellow, dark blue and black, and this one is yellow in color, the paper. And let's do the unboxing. And inside the box we get the woofer itself with a small plastic cover there. So guys, this is the woofer, Bolton 10-inch subwoofer, but actually normal woofer. So they are saying it's a subwoofer, but its performance is very best as a normal woofer, so we are considering it as a woofer. So 8 ohm impedance woofer with 250 watts PMPO power, just 120 watts RMS power, and the quality wise it's awesome. The finishing is very good. They have a matte black finishing on the frame and yellow tone going along the paper. So the other box is the same woofer. I have purchased two, and a single woofer will cost about 1100 rupees. Interestingly, we get a banana socket for connecting wires. This is very interesting because we don't need to solder wire on this woofer, and the finishing is very good, and initially I am pretty impressed by the look and finish of this woofer. In 90s, Bolton is very famous for making good quality woofer, speaker, mid-range speaker for good pricing, and the quality of that speaker was very good. So we will be checking the quality of this speaker or this woofer, whether this one have the same quality that old Bolton woofer have. Though the paper quality looks good, I think the performance will meet the expectation. It have some weight like other 10-inch woofer, and also the quality looks good. The spider quality is also good enough to give good bass, but not good to give us a subwoofer. I have checked the performance of this woofer as a subwoofer, and I have uploaded the video of this woofer as a subwoofer. So please do watch that video so that you get an idea about this woofer as not as a subwoofer. So that's all about the quality of this woofer, the outlook, the first impression of this woofer. So let's do the performance check of this woofer by connecting this to an amplifier. We are using a Ahuja 4040 SM amplifier so that we could get a clear output, so that we could get a good performance checking of this woofer. So let's do the performance check. Before that, we could check there is any scratching between the coil and the magnet hole. So there is not such scratching between this magnet hole and the coil. This is perfectly made. So let's do the performance check. guys, thus we are coming to the end of this video. I am pretty impressed by the performance of this woofer. It handles all frequency, low, mid and high, but there is slight distortion at very high volume, or if we increase the bass to a bit high. Anyway, it handles almost all frequency good, and the sound also comes very nice. Due to some copyright issues we cannot play all the music, but anyway, if you are using it for some home theater kind of use, this one is a good pick because it gives a mid-range, low and high at the right way. And so thus we are going, if you are going to buy a 10-inch woofer, then Bolton 10-inch woofer is a good choice, not as a subwoofer but only as a normal woofer. So for this price of 1100 rupees, this one is a good pick, the Bolton 10-inch woofer. And regarding the originality, whether this is a original Bolton or not, I am not sure because I don't know about whether this is a real one or not. Anyway, thus we are coming to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.